Hey there, Solar Pros. This is Ben with Easy Mode Media, the solar marketing specialist. Now, I want to shoot a quick video today to talk about a free tool that I have created for the solar industry. You can find it at easymodemedia.com, Solar Marketing Kit. So / solar marketing kit. And what it is the solar objection cheat sheet. It has 315 objections in it that if you are a part of a solar sales industry, if you sell solar in any capacity, these are common objections that you will get from your potential customers in objection to going solar. So 315 objections. All right. And if we scroll down here, we're going to see different types. So financial, technical, performance issues, aesthetic concerns, etc. And 2 responses for each to help you sell more solar. If we're having a look at, let's use the example, financial concerns, 42 objections. So if you download you'll get a copy of this if you go to Easy Mode Media, download the free 7-figure solar success kit. This is a part of that free kit, and it'll be a PDF, and you can just basically search. You want to have a look at financial concerns, you can search for that, or aesthetic concerns, environmental ethical considerations, etc. There's a lot of objections in here, and the way that we've currently got it set out is financial concerns, 42 objections, and then we go straight into the objections. So what are 2 responses around the initial cost of going solar that you and your team can use to help sell more solar? So hidden costs is another one. Decommission, replacement parts, time to ROI, financing options, resale value, long-term savings, reselling the home with a solar lease or a PPA, exit penalties, hidden fees. So a lot of your objections won't cover all of these, right? But a lot of solar companies struggle when it comes to objections. I've seen it myself. So, what are the ways we can combat this? You and your team can develop a process to deal and respond with every single objection on this list. These are 315 unique objections with 2 responses each. So, if you don't like response 1, go to response 2. Find out which one works best for you, your team, your location, your specific market. This is meant to be a foundation for your team to learn from and continually improve your responses to these objections. Definitely don't just read it word for word. Vary it up a little bit. What speaks to your customers the most, and do that, right? To generate trust. I do want to say that these responses are for educational purposes. Like I don't want you to just copy and paste word for word here. It's going to sound a little bit unnatural, right? You should never mislead your customers in, selling solar. We want to do it ethically, and these responses help you to do that, right? So if we scroll down here, like financial feasibility in the long run, so long-term ROI, energy storage costs, that's not going to be applicable for every industry, every location, but yeah, it is definitely a consideration for people that are talking about like going off grid. So warranty costs, insurance costs, future maintenance. So there's a lot of potential objections in here that this document will help solve. It will help you sell more solar, I guarantee it. So when you go through this, and we'll jump down to say 260 permanent inspection fees, off-grid and off-grid regulate or grid connection, off-grid regulations. So future outlook trends, technology obsolete, future solar tech improvements, decreasing solar equipment costs, etc. There's a lot here that's going to help you and your team overcome more objections, sell more solar, and ultimately make more money, but do it in an ethical way. Okay, so this is designed to help give you and your team a foundation to work from in developing your own cheat sheet. this is all the responses that we would use to overcome the objections in, a friendly way that generates trust, authority, but also education to help the customer to understand what they're getting into when they go solar. Okay, so once again, if you want to download this, it's totally free. Just head to easymodemedia.com/solar marketing kit. That link will be in the description of the video, and you can go over here, click download now, enter some information, and you'll get it sent out to you right away. So if you are interested in helping me improve this document, please let me know in the comments or reach out to me personally about what you'd like to see. What objections have I missed? Are there any objections in here that you don't think adequately solve the objection? And what other tools would you like to see in the Solar Success Marketing Kit? Drop the comments below. If you did enjoy this video or if you enjoy the tool, please let me know. It helps to understand that this is actually helping people. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. If there's anything else, any questions, drop a comment below. Thank you.